Hello guys, Brian back here with a look at Apple. All right, we had this yellow line in here as a target for a bounce for this thing, and that's where we exactly got our bounce. We ended up missing it by I don't know 75 cents or something here, but what we got our target is we took a Fibonacci, pulled it up here on top, and we used the 618 as our target area, which was 171.25. This thing ended up bouncing at, what was it, 171.97 or something. So ended up missing it roughly 50 cents or whatever, 75 cents, something like that. But if you're interested in learning about stuff like this, guys, I have a level 3 membership you can go sign up for. There's 7 videos in there now, 4+ hours worth of videos to learn how to use Fibonacci's, draw trend lines, read cup and handles, patterns that form in the market, all kinds of stuff. Like I said, over 4 hours. I've added at least one video a week over there, so you can go sign up. It's a level 3 membership, so but just a regular membership to support the channel every month is 99 cents. But just to like and subscribe means a ton, guys. So thank you for everything. All right, so we have got that bounce here. We got a green weekly candle. All right, that weekly RSI is just turning up. Technically, it's still bearish right now at a 4 and a 10, but we just need roughly the end of this week to finish out, and that should be fully reset. Now we have the daily at an 81 and a 68, looking fine, about 3/4 of the way up on the RSI here. We got the 12-hour about the same spot, and an 80 and a 68. And we got the 4-hour. The 4-hour is turning back up. It was correcting, and you can see as it corrects. I teach this in my, once these RSIs get to the top, that's when your price action should be going up. It should peak out, and price action should start correcting. All right, you got your price action going up with your RSI. Once it gets to the top, it starts correcting. Now that RSI is turning back up, so price action's heading back up, right? I always say that, especially on the weekly RSI, you could almost, technically, with the right coin or stock or whatever, you could almost trade with just a weekly RSI on a weekly time frame. I mean, it's pretty accurate. If you go through it once and look, especially on the weekly, you got your type right here, your RSI heading up, your price heading up, correction, and it headed back up. But over here, you got your RSI going up, price going up, gets to the top, get out, and anyway, I have a video over there teaching all this so if you'd like to, go check it out. But anyway, on the 1 hour is still heading up here, so let's dig into this a little bit deeper here. That 4-hour is heading back up. That first major resistance we ran into here was right up here at roughly 181.65, right around there. That was the high end here. You can see we came up and smashed into that and have gotten rejected so far. Okay, so we're going to use that area as our first main area. And if we go out to the daily, we have support. Oh boy, let's see here. Let's go out in the weekly instead. Find a, where a good support area is. You can see that first area we smashed into right up there. Okay, it lines up perfect, but I don't know. There's a couple of them in here we could use. That's a good one right there. Right here. Use that one down at 176.67. We're at 178 right now. Okay, let's see the daily. Let's put it on a 4-hour. All right, you can see here. Let's check this out. What I'm doing, I'm kind of stumbling around, but I'm checking something out in my head at the same time. All right, first off, you had this price action was following. Obviously following a trend line up, okay? Once it loses that trend line, something's changed. Usually after that, you'll get price pushing back up here, and then it rolling back over off of that now as resistance, okay? So what we could have coming in here is an ABC pattern. The only way to know that is to put a fib on here and keep an eye on it, all right? If we get through this 702 at 100, call it $180, we don't have to worry about no ABC. If we get rejected there and it starts rolling over, which it started rolling over here before we hit that 702, we're at 618. Not rolling over, but a small correction anyway. All right, we could be just coming back down here. Got this breakout here. Could be coming back down here to retest this and then taking off out of here. Nothing major, just some RSIs cooling off here. At 1 hour, it's the 30 minutes, probably up the top it is. All right, so nothing major. Apple looks fantastic. We got that bounce down there at 171, and we were up to what would we have here at 181 bucks as a high. So for the week, let's see here. Actually, a nice shape. Yeah, that's a nice weekly candle, nice green weekly candle, nice bounce out of here. All right, so Apple's definitely showing strengths. We got that weekly about reset. Where's the monthly? Monthly's at the top here, but that can stay up there for a long time. You can see over here, it can stay up top there for a while. It can turn up and down, up and down. It's usually how it goes, but the weekly and the daily look great. So expecting more of a bounce on this thing. The big tell-all area will be, once we get up to 186, 187 area, we'll have to start keeping our eye out, okay? Then we're getting up towards the fib areas here, anywhere from, what is that, 184 to 187. We're going to have to keep a real close eye out through here, okay? That's the 618, 702 is areas that either a coin is going to stall out or it's going to bust through it and keep going higher, okay? So we're going to have to keep an eye on that price area when we get to it. All right, guys, I hope you have a great weekend. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you very soon.